lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I kind of decided to do on the whim after watching a show at my sister's house called Tidying Up by Marie Kondo, and it is kind of, I think, a little bit of a trending video right now. I've seen a few videos on my suggested of people doing the Marie Kondo challenge, and she has this amazing method of organizing and decluttering your stuff. And one of my favorite things that I'm sure everyone knows about if you have seen her show is the rule of does it spark you joy? And I feel like that is how I'm going to get rid of a lot more stuff in my closet today. I'm going to be focusing mostly on my closet. In the show there's a lot more than just clothing and accessories and stuff. Like, she does all the office stuff, the papers, the garage, but I'm not going to be doing that today because my main focus will be my closet, accessories, and shoes, because that is what I am currently drowning in. Also, everything that I get rid of in this video I'm going to be listing on my Poshmark account, which is this username right here. It's just where I sell all of my clothes, and I will also put a download link down in the description. It is a super amazing way to buy and sell clothes for a super good deal, and then you guys can see all the things that I actually got rid of in my closet. So I'm going to show you kind of around my closet. It isn't horribly unorganized like a lot of the stuff you'll see on the show, but the problem is not everything has a home because there is just too much of it. So yeah, I'll show you around. This is one of the biggest places I think I need help with in deciding what I really do love. Because as you can see, the bar is bending and it's really hard to look through it. And I want to make room to add more sweaters if I want. And I just feel like it's very, very full. Also, here in this drawer, I want to try Marie Kondo's folding method on my underwear and my socks. And then down here I just have extra sneakers. These I wear a lot, and so I just wear them and I get home and I put them somewhere. And those also don't have a home. So I have some extra sneakers there and some extra bags kind of on the side here too. So here I have this pile of extra jeans that no longer fit in with my jeans. I have all these purses on top of here, and then some thigh-high boots and more bags that don't really have a home back there. So it's like not horrible looking, but I'd like for all this to have a place to live. Alright, so here is my closet, just like the top part of it. But this is the biggest problem area right here. It is my light kind of jackets and outerwear, but it's just really, really full and it's hard to see everything. So I just kind of want to try and get rid of a little bit more of this. This isn't my main one because my puffy coats are even worse, but I would like to thin these out just a little bit. And so here's just a quick view of the rest of my closet, just so you guys can kind of just see the whole thing. And then this is where I try and keep all my sneakers, but there is some obvious overflow in this department. And then I have heels up above as well as down below. Okay, so these are my puffy coats, and these are very tightly packed. It's really hard to get more puffy coats into here because there are so many of them, and I even have some hung on the back of the door here. And then I also have these overflow of boots here, and then my skirts and dresses are right here, and I just ran out of this type of hanger type because I have too many skirts. So I'm gonna have to get rid of some of those before I get any new ones. Okay, so addressing the jeans problem, how they're kind of on my floor out there, this is where all of my pants and jeans go. I think I need to get rid of some of these. So I'm always decluttering and organizing, and I love organizing, but the biggest thing that makes me nervous about the Konmari method is that she always has everyone get all of their clothing out into one huge pile. Some of my stuff, I like the way it's organized already right now, so I'm probably just going to do like big, huge groups of it. So I'm probably going to start with maybe like all of my outerwear, like all of it that I can find, and then all of my tops, and then all of my bottoms into one big pile, because I feel like that would just work the best for me, because I already know I have a lot of clothes. I know. So this will be very interesting, and let's get started. So this is all of my outerwear. This is a very big pile. I didn't expect it to be quite like this. At least the color palette here sparks joy for me. But I am now going to go through every single one and decide if it sparks me joy and if it should stay in my closet. Next, I'm going to tackle the sweaters. Okay, so next we're going to be doing tops and shirts today. It is day 2 of the Marie Kondo challenge. So I'm going to go get all of my tops and shirts out of the closet to go through and decide what sparks me joy. This one's a bit more overwhelming. Alright. No joy. My pile is falling. Okay, so next I'm going to be doing all my pants and trousers and jeans. This will help with the jeans on my floor and hopefully just getting rid of some stuff that I don't need anyways. Okay, so next we're going to be doing shoes, and I was kind of thinking to myself that I'd be doing this one in sections, possibly like heels, boots, sneakers, but I thought to myself, like, this is the Marie Kondo challenge. I'm just gonna go all in and pile literally every single one of my shoes onto my bed / floor if they don't all fit. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna do that and go for it, and hopefully this isn't a huge mess. Alright, here is all of my shoes out into one big pile. This is, I guess, why Marie Kondo has people do this, because I didn't even realize how many I really did have. These ones do not spark my joy. So I already have a bin filled up of the shoes that I'm getting rid of that do not spark me joy. I'm going to kind of keep filling it a little bit more, but then I'm going to have to empty it somewhere. Okay, so I've gone through all my dresses, skirts, and shorts as well. And last but not least, Marie Kondo always suggests that you thank all the things that you're getting rid of. And one of my favorite things that she ever said on her show was, there was a lady getting rid of a shirt and she said to thank the shirt for teaching you that you don't like shirts like it. And it's so true, and it's like really good to learn from the things you're getting rid of so you don't collect more things that you aren't gonna wear. So I'm gonna get everything out that I have gotten rid of back out onto my bed, thank it all, that way I can get it all out of my closet and room. So here is everything. I definitely exceeded my expectations with what I thought I was going to get rid of in this video, and I'm super proud of myself. I thank every single one of these pieces for teaching me what I don't like in my closet and also for giving me lots of years of wear. Okay, so once you are done decluttering and getting rid of all of your items that do not spark you joy, you are down to just the things that you love, and then you can begin folding. So I'm going to fold that one drawer that I had mentioned before using the Konmari method, and we're going to see how it looks. Alright, now it is time for the reveal of my decluttered and reorganized room. My sweaters are no longer super crammed in like before. You can totally move them around and everything, and there's lots of space to look through. Here in my closet, I redisplayed all my shoes back up here how I wanted them. For the outerwear, I was able to clean out enough of these to put some of the other puffier coats in with these to relieve the puffy coats. So these ones are still pretty full, but I can still clearly look at all of them very, very well. Same with all my long sleeves. Look at how much room there is now. So I might not have shown you these in the beginning, but I also folded these drawers, which are my shorts, in the Marie Kondo method, and they are much nicer looking than they were before. And then in this closet, my skirts are much more thinned out, and then my puffer jackets are still pretty tight, but they are much better than they were before. I was able to minimize my thigh-high boots some, and now they fit perfectly in the space that I have for them. And then up here, I filled everything but that one spot there, and I did not need to use the top up here. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video on the Marie Kondo challenge. It was very, very productive for me, and I would highly recommend it for any of you guys, and if you do it, send me a picture of your pile of clothes. Also, everything that I'm getting rid of, I'm going to be selling on my Poshmark. If you don't already follow me, I will put the download link down below and also my profile link. And then, of course, like always, let me know if you have any other video suggestions. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Love you guys, and I will see you next time.